Guys, I fixed my trap. I put a log on it, and I got a reinforced stick. So, and there's a bird. I had to go out there because you saw in my previous video that I had a aerial combat and it took out my trap. So that little fat bird is gonna go into that cage. And I'm gonna catch him. I think that's a female because it's kind of fat, but it could be just like a dad or whatever. Oh snap. It's going in. I'm gonna let it's in the cage for the most part. I'm just gonna let it get a little bit closer. Because if I pull down the trap, it will cut its tail. I caught it! I caught it! Oh my god! Oh my god! There it is. All my subscribers out there, give out a shout to anybody that has this type of trap, because it works very much. Oh my god. I just got another bird. Whew. Gonna try and see how I can Okay, stay there, bird. Okay. I have a fire pit. It's all wet though. But I had this. Oh, Jesus Christ. Actually, you know what? Forget the big piece of glass. Here's my quad. I'm gonna fix soon. Hopefully this thing will work. I don't know, but let's see. It'll work. Oh, damn, there's a chunk missing. Well, should work anyways. Hopefully. You just kind of like slide it on. Wow, this thing had a little injury on it, on its head. Probably smashed into a car. Don't ask how I might know that, because I know a lot of birds that were stupid enough to smash themselves into a moving car. So, I could have sworn there was a door on this thing. I don't know why. But it is kind of a stupid move, if you ask me. Okay. Well, there's the bottom. There it is. Yeah. Caught it. By myself. It's kind of old. Has a scar on its head. Probably getting attacked by other birds. It's missing a lot of feathers. And its feathers like come out like very easily, which shouldn't happen. I caught a bird in my trap. You're on my YouTube channel. Yeah, that's my sister. Yeah, so I caught this awesome bird. And if you guys want to catch a bird similar to this, or any other kind of bird, it works for pretty much every single bird except for hunter birds. Like it works for pheasants, finches, parrots, if wherever you live has them. It works for these kinds of birds, sparrows. It works for blue jays. All pretty much every single bird. I don't kiwi, wherever you live. It's kind of a bird. But this bird actually it has a lot of good features, but except for the head, because that head I don't know what the heck happened to the head. And then the loose feathers all there. But so that's how you catch a bird. If you guys ever want to catch one, because it's kind of fun. Ow, fudge. Ow, fudge. Fudge. Ah, let go. Bad. Bad bird. Ow. Fudge. 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 I meant to say fudge. So, that's how you guys catch a bird. It's missing a lot of its tail feathers, which shouldn't be. I wish I had a tripod. Yeah, so that's the bird. It's a sparrow, I'm pretty sure. I always said it reminds me of a roadrunner because the shape and the body, and it usually runs sometimes. But everything looks pretty good. There's like something on his eye though. I don't know what it is. Probably like a little piece of like sand or whatever. Bad bird. Yeah. So, has some head trauma. Probably smashed into a window or got into a fight with another bird. On the other hand, a little fat, which is always good. But with the redness here, I'm like 50 to like 75% sure that that's blood. It just like stained it. Because these birds, they get into a lot of fights with different birds, hawks, all kinds of birds, even their own kind. Mainly cats. Cats love to try and catch these little things. But if you look like right on its head, all that white stuff is like dandruff. Whatever. Trying to like wipe that stuff off of his eye. Ow! Ow! Stop it. I'm trying to wipe the stuff off your eye. Ow. Stop it. Stop it. So, hopefully, if you haven't seen this before, please subscribe. And all you old comers that already subscribed, thank you for watching. Very much. All of you. And, probably gonna let this guy go. Just need a camera there. You guys want? That's his wing. Ah, ah, ah. Birds hate me for some reason. So many feathers. That's the other wing. It's missing a lot of tail feathers. I don't know why, but it is. And I'll put down in the comments below how to make this trap. All you need is the top to like a random cage, a string, and a stick. And bait, of course. Well, I'll show you guys how to release him. There he goes. Yep. Thanks for watching.